Opening arguments began this morning in the trial of the West Salem man charged with killing his parents for money. Police arrested Eric Koula in July of 2010 for allegedly shooting his parents and then depositing a $50,000 check from his father into his own bank account the next day. Today, both sides spent about an hour each with opening statements. The prosecution's argument included photos of the crime scene and Eric Koula's 911 call. They say Koula hid his financial problems from everyone he knew, including his parents. The defense argues Koula could not have committed the crime because he had a great relationship with his parents and was financially stable. They also say Koula's parents were killed by a professional. The jury visited the crime scene today, the Koula's former home, before returning to the courtroom this afternoon. News 8's Pauline Lee was in court this afternoon to hear the first of about 86 witnesses to take the stand.
Well, today prosecution focused on how the scene of the crime looked that day. In the opening statements, the prosecution said police reported there were no signs of forced entry in the home. There were no windows or doors that may have been tampered with. Audrey Grout, a good friend of Dennis and Myrna, then took the stand. She says that she and her husband had been to the Koula house many times before to visit. Attorneys showed her pictures of the crime scene as well as an old report of what she told police to see if she had noticed anything missing or out of place. She says the report contained information she doesn't remember giving to police.
I don't recall saying that the shades would be open. No, because I don't remember saying that, but that's fine.
Now, Grout's husband took the stand after her. Both the prosecution and defense then turned their focus to the collection of valuable gold coins Dennis had. Now, in the opening statements this morning, the prosecution said Koula had told police his dad never told or showed anyone about his collection but him. Koula also told police he said his dad was thinking about selling those coins. Grout's husband says he and Dennis talked about trading and finances as well as gold coins, but he never knew for sure if Dennis owned any. The prosecution is trying to figure out what exactly happened to those gold coins.
I certainly don't remember it. And gold coins are impressive, so I think I would have remembered.
Now, currently, the jury is not being sequestered, but Judge Horn ended today's session saying that could be an option. He reminded jurors not to talk to anyone about the case, and that includes through social media.
Thanks, Pauline. And court will pick up again tomorrow morning. Koula has pled not guilty to the charges. He could face life in prison if convicted.